Right, one for me and one for Teddy. Good evening. Would you like to follow me, sir? This way? Here we are. Stay there. Is this yours? No. That's yours. Oh, there we are. Go on, chicken. Teddy, can I have a chip? Sure. Oh, you're too kind. I'll have a one. Spotted Teddy. There we go. Come on. Oh. What's it? God's sake. Must be somewhere. God. Polar bears. Oh, you'd like to move tables, sir? Over here. There we go. Okay.
Wrong floor.
I did it.
Are you buying this? So,
This and this. morning. Ah, no, I've got to just like... Get off that.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Oh, no,
That's all I've got!
no, no, make it... Oh, no, no.
The frog rattler. Anything so perfect.
Oh.
Yes.
Teddy! Teddy! Teddy, come back here! Give me the teddy, please.
Channer,
Give me the teddy. No. Wait. Give me the...
give it.
Hot. All right. Thank you. Now, Teddy, don't you dare wander off like that again. Okay. Oh. Why did you please take the silver?
Excuse me. How much?
300.
300.
300. Shiver, gagway, gagway.
Oh.
Oh,
Here we go with the carpet. What do you think, George? I like the shape, don't you? Nice with the pictures too, isn't it?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam.
Mr. Bean.
Bean. Yes,
We're very interested in
the sofa.
these.
Oh,
Think he's quite all right.
this sofa smells. No. Whereas, there's a hair. Why, there's a little poof. I'm
What do you
sorry.
think you're doing?
Excuse me.
Excuse us.
It's the cushion I want.
Oh, cushion.
It's the cushion she wants.
Very nice choice.
Out or 300.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
To you, you can't bet round the corner. What? No. Hey, take it, sulphur away!
Mr. Bean, move it.
Oh.
What the dickens?
Oh, look at that. Oh, no. Where's that thing gone now? Oh, no. Oh, no.
£20 worth, old sir.
It's still there. Excuse me. How's the sofa? Have you got that? Have you got that? Oh, no. Oh, no. Stop! Oh, why did you...
Sail's a sail.
Oh, yes. All right. Stop!
Ta-ta-ta.